Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Mentorship Corner. My name is Siviana Mtandazo. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to my Mentorship Corner family. Welcome back guys. On today's video, we are going to be doing vision boards. Yes, so this is my vision board for the year. This is actually my first vision board, so it doesn't look so nice, but you know what guys, it serves the purpose. So before we start, I am going to be basically sharing with you guys my 3-step process that you can follow when you want to build your first vision board, or if you want to build a vision board for this year. So what you're going to need is, you will need this poster paper. I'm not sure what size this thing is, but you'll need a poster paper, and then you will need a pen, you will need your glue stick thingy, you will need some magazines, and you will need your journal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you guys through the simple steps that you can take when you want to build your first vision board, or basically when you want to build your vision board for the year. So let's get right into it. Okay, so now that you have put everything aside, you now take a piece of paper or your journal and you write down all the 8 areas of your life, and then you add 1 or 2 goals under each area, like I'm doing now on the screen, so that you have an idea of what you want to cut out in your pictures. Now that you've done with that, let's move on to the pictures. Next step would be to look for the pictures, because now you have an idea of what type of pictures you are looking for your goals and for your vision board. Then you look for those pictures, cut them out, and then you prepare them for pasting. Then once you are done with the pasting, you want to make sure you stick or paste or hang your vision board in a place where you are going to be able to see it every day. I didn't tell you guys this at the beginning of the video, but it's basically, the vision board helps you to practice the law of attraction, which in simple terms means whatever it is that you want, if you can see it and if you can recite it on a regular basis, on a daily basis to be specific, then you are able to subconsciously program your brain and basically channel it towards achieving that specific goal. So yeah, that's what I'm interested in trying out this year. I am super excited for my vision board, and yeah guys, I hope you are going to be as excited as I was when I was building mine, and I hope it's going to be as interesting as, well, it was for me when I was building my vision board. But yeah, important message from this process is that you must paste your vision board in a place where you can see it every single day. Okay, so now we're gonna move and discuss a little bit on the action plan. So what we want to do basically is, you want to be very specific with your goals. So as you guys can see, I have written out the area of my life, and then I've written out my first goal. So I want to jog 30 kilometers for the month. So basically, for me to be able to achieve that, I need to get the app, which is going to be able to help me track my progress. And then the next goal that I want to achieve, it is basically I want to go plant-based on certain days. So as you guys can see, I've written the goal, which is going plant-based, and I've written the days. So I want to go plant-based on Tuesdays and on Thursdays. And for me to be able to do that, I need to obviously check out recipes to be able to help me achieve that. My second area of my life is wealth, and as you guys can see, I am going to be saving money, specific amount of money for the year. And for me to be able to achieve that, I need to know how much money I'm going to be saving each month. So you take the chunk amount and then you basically divide by 12, and you're going to get a certain amount, which is the amount you need to be able to save per month. So that's basically what I'm going to do. And then the second goal under wealth for me is credit. So I want to pay off my Edgar's card. So I have basically, I think, I want to pay it over 3 months. Yeah, so I have about 3,500 rands that I owe in total credit, and for me to be able to pay it off over 3 months, it's basically I need to take that 3,500 and divide it by 3, and then I'll know how much I need to put away and put under that account for the period of 3 months. So you basically do the same thing for all your goals. And yeah, happy goal achieving this year, guys.